Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop get-by or make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks. Hog panels can do more than keep livestock in. They can be employed for shop storage. You put hog panels to work to store bungee cords, ratchet straps, chains, even jumper cables. You cut whatever length and width the panel you have, an old panel, and then you hang it on the wall wherever you think it's appropriate. You start by hanging the cords and straps and chains, whatever you have that's vertical. The neat thing about this storage tip is you can readily see the length of the cords or straps that you need to use. Plus, he keeps them out of the dirt and the dust. You know, I've done a pretty good job hanging up my power cords, but the pegboard storage system that I have, well, either the hangers got bent or it started pulling out the pegboard. I hate to have the cords in tubs or piles on the floor, so I took a length of livestock paneling. I cut off the wire at one end at the appropriate distance and bent them out. And voila, you have a super sturdy power cord storage system. Guess what? You can do the same thing with panels to create bucket storage, but be sure to use extra wide square panels. Or you can also use it to create a boot storage rack or a coat rack. Well, you get the idea. Use your imagination and start using up that old hog panel. We would love to hear about your shop shortcuts, tips, or make-dos. Send us your shop hack. If we use it on the show or in Successful Farming Magazine, we're going to pay you a $200 reward. Send us a detailed description and images to the link below. I'll see you again next time on another shop hack. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.